Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link or connect Spotify to Google Maps. So if you want to listen to your favorite music on the road, you can use Spotify while using Google Maps on your device. So in here, what you need to do is just have both Spotify and Google Maps installed on your phone. And after that, here you can open the Spotify apps. Here I'm going to click on Spotify. Okay, so now I already opened the Spotify. You can now click on your initial or your profile at the top left corner. You can click on this, and there will be this options where you can go to the settings and privacy. Tap on the settings and privacy, and then you can just scroll down and go to the apps and devices options. Tap on that. So here you can see there will be this connected app section, and there are two options that you can select it. The first one is Google Maps and the second one is Waze. So you can just choose which one that you want to use, but in this case I'm going to use Google Maps, so you can connect your Spotify account to play directly in the Google Maps app. So in here, just tap on connect in here. Okay, so you need to allow Spotify to connect to Google Maps. So you agree that Google Maps will be able to view your Spotify account data such as your name, username, profile pictures, Spotify followers, and public playlists. And the second one, you agree that Google Maps will be able to take actions in Spotify on your behalf, such as stream and control Spotify in the Google Maps apps. So you can just tap on agree. Now my Spotify has been connected to the Google Maps. So now you can use Google Maps while you can also listening to Spotify songs. So if you want to, you can also open the Google Maps settings. So you can go to Google Maps and then go to settings and choose the navigation settings, and then you can just enable the or go to the show media playback controls, and you can select Spotify and accept the terms to connect your account. So that's all for me. That's how you can link your Spotify with Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.